Today we've come to inspect the Norbreck Hotel in Blackpool. Recently I'm in 242. So try again. So this is our twin room. Right. Just put the suitcase there. Right, so this is our twin room in the Norbreck, which doesn't look too bad. Let's get the beds tested, shall we? It looks clean. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, clean. And ours is actually sea view, because you can't actually see the sea, but I'll show you in the morning. Windows. That looks a bit manky there. And the curtains looks manky. There's a chair there. Got radiator, it does feel nice and warm in here. Another chair. Quite clean. Right, I've got wardrobe. Nothing in the wardrobe. Coat hangers. Got a TV. See if it works. So drawers. Yeah, TV works. Kettle. Teas, never heard of that one. Coffee, sugars, milks. Let's have a look at the kettle, shall we? See if it's clean. Bit of life scale. But not an issue. Another hairdryer there. And then you've got the bedside. Excuse the stuff. As you've seen, you've just literally walked in, same as us. And then got bedside cabinet there. And big mirror there. We've got a bin. Let's have a look at this bathroom, shall we? Where's the light? Right, so toilet. Clean. Toilet roll. Shower. So look at the shower head, shall we? Yeah, quite clean. Bath's not too bad, but a bit manky round it. Mat's clean. Shower curtains clean. Hair and body wash there. Soap. It's unusual. Normally Britannia soap. And there's some plastic glasses. Another mirror, but of course as well looks like a bit damaged underneath there. Towel rail with towels and a bin. No coat hook or anything though. So yeah. So let me know in the comments. Look, even the carpet's clean. It is clean. It looks like new carpet. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you're willing to stay here. I paid £52 for this room. Let's have a look actually of these lights. Yeah, they work. Yeah, I paid £52 for a night. Not with breakfast. Just night only. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you would stay here. If all rooms was like this. Because apparently it's not a great hotel. But I know they're having refurbs at the moment. So maybe that's it. It's like many of the rooms are looking better, I suppose. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you would stay here. And I will catch you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you're enjoying these videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Just try shutting this window. As you can see, you can't shut it. So, by the looks of it, it's full of grime there. Got some barrier or something stopping it from closing. It's just a bit manky, that. But yeah. So, unable to shut the window. This is the view this morning from my room. I said I'll show you the sea view. As you can see, rainy morning. But yeah, sun's trying to pop out over there by the looks of it, and you can see Cumbria. That'd be nice on a clear day. So yeah, there's the view. Also, this was the information I picked up from front of the hotel at reception. So it tells you about breakfast, £9.50 per adult, £5 per child, and under 5 is free. Dinner, £12.50 per adult, £7.50 a child, and under 5 is free. These are buffet style, I believe, that I had a look at yesterday outside the restaurant. Got entertainment. And checkout is at 10:30. It says if I need any further inquiries that I should contact the reception team by dialing 0 from the phone in your room. Well, got an issue there with no phone in the room. So we'd have to go all the way down anyway.